Hey guys, happy Friday. Hope you're doing really wonderful. It's Java with Josh, obviously. Hope you have some big plans this weekend, something fun. Hopefully, the weather's nice. You can get out, go check out some nature, get a nice coffee. But I'm actually here at the airport flying back to Denver. I spent a lot of time at the airport. I should probably pay rent. But I wanted to do a quick Java with Josh because we have a really cool new tool out that you may or may not have heard. It's our Trafalgar Travel Advisor reference guide. It's all digital, so you can find out some really wonderful information about Trafalgar, some information that you might need to do marketing. There's tools, there's groups details. There's a lot there for you. But I want to talk about one thing specific. It's our group. So if you are a groups producer or you want to be, definitely check this out because we have a lot of opportunity for you to grow your group's business any way that you want, right? So one way that you can do it is from a brochure departure. So just like a normal group, you can find a specific date, departure, choose that. We'll save, let's say we allocate 20 seats for you. You get the ability to save those seats and not sell them until a specific date, right? Or maybe you like the itinerary and you think you can get up, fill the entire coach. Awesome. What we'll do is we'll actually have the exclusive brochure departure just for you. So that way we'll save off the entire date and trip for you. And you just get to sell that. It's kind of like a private trip just for you and your travelers. Or we can do a custom trip as well. So we can totally customize everything that you need, whether it's a long weekend to Napa or maybe a 2 week trip around Italy. We can do that for you and just completely create an itinerary that's going to be best suited for you and for your clients' needs, which I think is pretty cool. Um, we can do groups for all of that for Brendan, Cost Saver, and Trafalgar. So depending on the needs of you and your clients, we'll be able to find something that works really well for you. And what I think is great is that we have three options when we're contracting. You can kind of hear some of the noise in the background. That's all right. When we're contracting out our groups, right? So one option is that you can create a 5% discount for all your guests. So that means you're going to get the regular amount of contracted commission, but everybody on your trip will get a 5% off, which is really wonderful because it's combinable with various promotion offers and other promos that are in the marketplace. Some won't apply, but you'll find that out. And what's really good is if you're working with church groups or chamber groups or maybe high school or college groups, you can kind of be able to add that benefit for working just with you instead of those groups. The second option is to get that TC, that free space, right? And so you can do a free space with your contracted commission. And it's all based off the number of guests that you sell. So let's say you sell 15 guests, that's 16th to be free, right? So you can travel, you can have a group leader that's traveling. So maybe you partnered with a brewery or a yoga studio. You can have that brewer or yoga kind of be your pen pal, or your not your pen pal, but your Pod Piper. They can go out and get those travelers to book with you. You make the commission, and they travel for free. You can also, it's every 16, so 32. Two guests get to go for free, and at 45 or more, three guests get to go out free. You still get all that contracted commission. It's pretty awesome. Or there's a third option where you can get free space for every 8 paying guests, right? But then the commission will only be 10%. So it allows you to give you a little bit of options when you're talking with some of your different groups. So maybe you want to go to a space. Maybe your dream trip is Italy, right? You haven't been to Italy yet. And you have a small group that's interested in going, well, we can help you get there. And I think that's really cool. And the benefit of that one is that if you sell 32 or more guests, you get an extra bonus of $3,500. So some really cool ways to be able to create the type of group that you're looking for by earning commission, getting free seats, or maybe doing a promotion. It allows you to change the style of communication when you're working with the special groups. Maybe you're working with the chamber and they want somebody to go for free. you can help them do that. Or maybe you want to go for free, you can do that. So definitely take a look at our groups. We can do groups all over the world. We're super happy to do that and help you make money. So what I'm going to do is in the comments below, I'll put in our traveladvisor.com/groups URL. So that way you can kind of find some more of that information so you won't have a challenge with it. You'll be able to find some of our marketing support. So once you find out a group, our team is awesome. So our internal groups team is going to go off, get your contract set up. They'll create a PDF for you with the itinerary on it. And they'll also, if you're interested, they'll create a URL site. So that way it's kind of like a little microsite. So that way you can put this link on your social, on marketing, and travelers can just go to that and find out all the information, how to contact you to get there. We can do group nights. We can do some really cool social stuff. And our DSM team is super happy to go out and help you kind of create those little marketing support that you need, whether it's creating a marketing plan, looking at some co-op dollars, whatever it might be. Maybe you want to host an event. They're happy to create that and build out a really good schedule, whether it is a social media schedule, a marketing schedule, an event schedule, whatever it might be, where we're happy to do that. So if you have any questions, write them in the comments below. Have a killer weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks, bye.